The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Is the above situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. Solution. Let x, y be the ages of two friends. Given that sum of the ages of two friends is equal to 20 years, which implies x plus y is equal to 20, considering this as equation 1, which implies y is equal to 20 minus x. Therefore, 4 years ago, the age of two friends is equal to x minus 4 and y minus 4. Product of ages is equal to 48, which implies x minus 4 into y minus 4 is equal to 48. Substituting y value in the above equation, we get x minus 4 into 20 minus x minus 4 is equal to 48, which implies x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48, which is 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x is equal to 48, which implies x square minus 20x plus 64 plus 48 is equal to 0. That is, x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20, c is equal to 112. We know that discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 20 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 112 equals 400 minus 448, which equals to minus 48 less than 0. Therefore, roots are not real. Hence, there is no possibility to find the ages.
How can we say that the roots are not real?
We have already learned about the nature of roots. The nature of roots depend upon the value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. 1. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal. 2. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. 3. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, the roots are not real, that is imaginary.